A portion of this video is sponsored by Anker with their MagGo lineup of wireless chargers and power banks for the iPhone 16, featuring their 3-in-1 MagGo wireless charging station, Anker Nano power bank, MagGo wireless charging stand, and MagGo power bank. More from them in this video. September 20th, 2024 means it's iPhone 16 series official release date. And of course, we've got here the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is in the desert color, and this is the 1TB model. Let's unbox it and let's give you your first impressions of what we feel about Apple's new and latest top of the end flagship phone. Okay, so we've got the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the desert color. Let's go through the motion and unbox it, see what we get inside. Of course, this is what we have here from Apple. It has increased in size to 6.9 inches with slimmer bezels. So as we can pretty much see it right here, we've got it, 16 Pro Max. Bang. All right, let's do the pull tabs. Take this here. Take this there, bang. Whoa. Let's get in, bang. Ooh, this desert color is actually nice. All right, put this to the side. Oh, this is clean. Hope it translates a bit more in color for the camera, but yeah, here's what we have. And of course, we've got the SIM ejector, and we've got the braided USB-C to C cable right there, nice and clean. No Apple stickers this time around. You would have seen people that had early access to these devices showcase that. Let's do the peel. Oh, so clean and satisfying. Oh, this is beautiful. New camera control, don't call it a button, power button, or side button as they call it. Volume buttons, action button, SIM ejector tray, because obviously here we still have the SIM card compared to America. And yeah, this is 16 Pro Max. Let's turn it on. And just wait for this to load, and we'll get into the home screen. Whether you're stationary or on the go and you're looking for the perfect charging solutions for your iPhone 16 series devices, then look no further than Anker's new MagGo wireless chargers and power banks. Featuring their Anker MagGo wireless charging station. This is a 3-in-1 ultra compact wireless charger that supports Qi 2 wireless charging standard, which is now supported by the iPhone 16 devices. It's travel friendly and ultra portable thanks to its foldable design, support for 15-watt fast charging with its MagSafe compatibility, standby mode for optimal viewing thanks to its flexible design when folded, and the ability to charge 3 devices wirelessly with your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch. What's great is the MagGo wireless charging station comes with an included 40-watt power delivery plug with a USB-C to C cable and interchangeable plug heads for different regions, giving you all you need to get started and charging when at home and on the go. Not to mention Anker's other MagGo products such as their wireless charging stand with 360-degree rotation, hands-free charging, superior protection with their Active Shield 2.0 technology, and 15-watt wireless charging with MagSafe. The Anker Nano power bank with its 10,000 mAh battery capacity, built-in stand for Apple Watch charging support, a built-in USB-C cable ready for charging always, with the ability to simultaneously recharge the power bank and charge your device at the same time with a travel-friendly design. And last, Anker's MagGo power bank, which packs a 10,000 mAh battery in an ultra slim compact design, 15-watt wireless charging over MagSafe with Qi 2 support, and an ergonomic feel that makes it easy to use your iPhone 16 when charging. Check the links in the description of where you can get your Anker MagGo wireless chargers and power banks for your iPhone 16 and supported MagSafe iPhone devices from the iPhone 12 series and above. Use the special discount code AnkerMagGo03 on Amazon for 15% off before the 7th of October 2024, and thank you to Anker for sponsoring a portion of this video. So here we have it, the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the desert color, unboxed. We won't do it as a transfer from my 15 Pro Max. I've got a 15 Pro Max here, S24 Ultra, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL. We'll do a slight comparison against them in terms of visuals, and actually pop out and do a preview camera comparison as well. So here we have it. Now, when I actually hold it, it doesn't feel that much bigger compared to the 15 Pro Max, even though that the size of it is bigger. And of course, we do have a 6.9-inch corner-to-corner display now, so it should make it a little bit more immersive. But here is where we have it. It's really by the difference of this color. I love the fact that obviously the rails are still, a brushed matte finish and a matte back as well. Apple really do a good job when it comes to it. And the new camera control, don't call it a button. So you press it and it's there. Press it to hold, touch again, scroll. It's interesting. It's gonna take some time getting used to. Yeah, it's gonna take some time getting used to, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so it's now 0.5 ultra wide, 24. And obviously we've got the new photographic styles that's built in as well. I love the fact that they're doing it this way. This is a much, much better look. So good look when it comes to that. Yeah, detailed camera comparison coming soon. Now, when I went into the settings, you can actually see that there is a day one software update available. Although it's on iOS 18.0 already, there looks to be a day one software update available. So just bear that in mind. Now, in terms of what we've got the A18 Pro. When it comes to the new chipset, this is on the second generation of the 3nm process, I believe from TSMC, which is a Taiwanese semiconductor manufacturing company. They are pretty much the leaders when it comes to fabrication nodes right now. So this is working with 8 GB of RAM, and you do have increased battery capacity. Now, Apple never discloses their battery capacity size, but we're guessing it's probably going to be somewhere around 4,600 milliamps, whereas the previous Pro was 4,442. But again, watch out for the battery drain test against the Pixel 9 Pro XL, as well as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which should hopefully, everything goes according to plan, is going to be the next day. In fact, we're probably going to do it as a live stream first, so I will have it linked in the cards above and the description below, and then the dedicated video and all the other short form videos to come with it as well. So yeah, we're pretty much going to be putting this through its paces. And yeah, I've got a surprise with the iPhone 16 Pro Max as well, so watch out. That's going to be in the speed test video, so stay tuned and stay locked. So let's do a quick comparison and let's see how it looks compared to the old iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is what we have here. So iPhone 16 Pro Max on the left, 15 Pro Max on the right. If we place them side by side like this, we can see there is a slight size difference. This is the natural titanium, and it's looking good. It's looking good. I really like it. Really like it. Looks nice, looks clean. It's not bad at all. Then if we look at the display, Damien. There we go. This is what we're working with. So yeah, 6.7, 6.9. Quick look. And then we've got the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Nice and clean. Titanium built phone as well. And this is what we're working with when it comes to the design. Here's the size comparison. And then switching over to the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Let's put it here. Very similar in size. What we're looking at there for the design and the build. looking clean. So, from the latest phones that we've got, these are the big boys and the previous generation. From left to right, iPhone 16 Pro Max, Pixel 9 Pro XL, Galaxy S24 Ultra, and then the previous iPhone 15 Pro Max. Obviously, this is 20th of September. We had this on the 23rd of August, which was the previous month. And then we had this on the 17th of January, which is at the beginning of the year. And of course, this was last year on the 24th of September, 2023. So we've got these here. Let's actually take this one away. Let's swing these outside and have a quick preview camera comparison for videos and pictures to see how they compare against each other. So now we're outside, we're doing a quick camera comparison with the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the middle and Pixel 9 Pro XL on the left and the Galaxy S24 Ultra on the right. Of course, be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. I will have the full camera comparison linked in the cards above and the description below. Once it's ready and live, it's going to be a detailed and in-depth one, our definitive as we call it. Now obviously Apple have improved this apparently with new studio mics, I think 4 of them in total, and it does surround sound. And you know, you've got different things with the audio mix that you can actually change and do. But this is the selfie camera, so we can pretty much see how they look like to start things off. Interesting. Okay, this is the 4K UHD 30 frames per second video recorder mode on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. We're just seeing how the image quality is like. Should be very interesting to put these through their paces when it comes to the full detailed camera comparison. Now that is it with unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the desert color, 1 terabyte storage edition, our initial impressions of it, and of course a quick comparison against the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss all the upcoming videos that we have on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, from the battery drain test, the charging test, the camera comparison, the speed and performance testing, our general review. We have a lot to do when it comes to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and definitely watch our speed test video. I've got a pleasant surprise in there for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And of course, another quick mention from the sponsor of a portion of this video, Anker, with their ultra compact 3-in-1 Qi 2 charger accessory, one of the perfect companions for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you want to get yours, check the link in the description below. That's it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.